Hello and welcome to Learn Code Read. Today I will walk you through lesson 7 of the Pre-Reader Express course. Please click on the link above to check the previous videos of Coding for Kids series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Before begin the lesson, don't forget to log in on Code.org. Let's begin the lesson, Loops with Laurel. I'm skipping the first section in this lesson because it is a video about what we are going to do in this lesson. So let's start with puzzle 2. Free play. Move Laurel around and get as much as treasure you can. Get at least one item with no mistakes to pass this level. So what we need to do is here we just not need to move around, we have to get this treasure as well, and for that they will introduce a new block that is get. So you have to step and get, then again step and get. So let's see how we can do this. There is no upper limit for this specific puzzle, but I'll insist to use repeat block. So first it will step east side. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then get the move and get. Correct? So it will reach here. Then need to go south. Two times, so it will be here and get. Again we'll put a repeat block 1, 2, 3, 4. That is for 4 times west and get. Now after reaching here, again 2 times south and get the treasure, and then 4 times east and get. So this is what I have come up with. You can build your own logic here. Let's run it, but here I am trying to get all the items. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 3. See what we need to do in puzzle 3. Move Laurel to the treasure, then use the get block to pick it up. Get all 4 piles to pass this level. So what we will do, we'll use repeat block again. Why we are using repeat block? Because we are doing the same action multiple times. Like step and get, move and get. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So here we'll keep it 4. First we'll step to east and then we'll get. Then again east, get. It will repeat it for 4 times. Let's run it. Okay, let's continue to puzzle 5, because the puzzle 4, which is telling about loop or repeat block. So I am skipping it for now. Puzzle 5. How can Laurel get all 5 piles of treasure using only one east block? Okay, we all know the answer. We can use east block only once when we use repeat block. So we'll use repeat block. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It is 5 already. And we can use only one east block. So we'll drag the east block. Don't forget to put get block as well. Okay, let's run to get all the treasure. Okay, we finished it. Let's move to puzzle 6. In puzzle 6, fix Laurel's path to get all of this treasure. So the code is already given. There is some mistake in this code and we need to fix it. You can debug it manually, that means by thinking or by reading the code. And you can use step button to identify the mistake. Now first what I'll do, I'll read the code and see what is the mistake. So according to me, it should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times east and get the 4 treasure. So here I'll set it to 4. Then it should be south 1 time and get. And after this, it should go 1 time east and get the pile. So I'll drag east and get the block here. Okay. Now let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 7. Puzzle 7 is also on the same line. We need to identify the issue. Let's read first. Add to the code from the last puzzle to get all the treasure. So this is the code which is same as puzzle 6. We need to add some more blocks to get this extra piles. Okay, first let's count 4 east and get, then after reaching here 3 times south, and here we have only 1 time south. We cannot drag this south block because it's 0. So we need to drag repeat block, detach this, move this inside the repeat block and attach this again. So 1, 2, 3 times south and get, and then east and get. Okay, let's run it. Yes, we get it all. Let's continue to puzzle 8. Figure out the code to help Laurel get all the treasure. Okay. We are doing our code in 3 steps. Counting, drag the blocks and run it. So first we'll do counting, decide the direction 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, don't forget to use repeat, set to 4, east, and we have to make sure that we put get block as well. So after Laurel reach here 1, 2, 3, 3 times south. And once he reach here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times west direction. Okay. And get block. Is it? Okay, that's it. Run it. We have used exact block that are required. Let's continue to puzzle 9. In puzzle 9, write the code to get all of this treasure. Okay, so first we'll move Laurel to east, north, west and south. Now the second part, use repeat block. Before that, count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is east, get. After reaching here, 3 times north. After reaching here, 3 times west. And then 1 time south. Okay, that's it. Let's run it. You can see our goal and it is updating as we are getting the piles. We have finished it, 11 out of 11. That's good. Let's continue to puzzle 10. Puzzle 10 is a challenge. Let's stretch our brain. Yes, we are ready for it. The treasure goes all the way down these stairs. Write the code to help Laurel get it all. So first we'll go south, east, south, east. Let's get the repeat block 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. After reaching here, 2 times east. After reaching here, again 3 times south. And once Laurel reach here, 2 times east to get all the treasure. Okay. Can you guys see a pattern here? That south, east, 3 times south, 2 times east, again 3 times south, 2 times east. So this is something same as we are doing same set of actions multiple times. First run it, then I'll explain you something called nested loops. I'll try again. So here what I want to explain is sometimes we repeat the repetitive actions multiple times. So I'll keep this code here for a reference and I'll take half code. So these both codes are almost same. For example, let me drag it up and I'll show it. 3 times south, 2 times east. And we have 2 sets of this code. So instead of putting these 2 sets, I'll drag another repeat block, set it to 2 because we have 2 sets of codes, and put this one code inside this. So what it will do is, it will start for first time, complete this action 3 times south and get the piles, then complete this action 2 times east and get the piles, and after that another time it will repeat the same action. And that is what exactly we want to complete this puzzle. Now I'll keep this code here just for a reference. Let's reset it and run it. You can use step button to understand it. So instead of using 13 blocks, we have completed it using 8 blocks. So this is something which is called nested loops. Let me finish this puzzle now. I'll remove this code before that. It's always a good practice to remove extra code. And continue to puzzle 11. Help me get the treasure from this deep valley. He will move 3 steps west. Get the treasure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. After reaching here, 5 times south, that is down direction. And then after reaching here, 2 times west again. Okay. Let's run it. Let's move to puzzle 12. In puzzle 12, help Laurel get all the treasure from this cave. Again, it's on the same lines. Like we use west block, instead we'll use east block, then south, and again after reaching here, west block. Let's finish it quickly. 1, 2, 3 times east, get block, again 1, 2, 3, 4 times south, get block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, west block, and get. Let's run it. Let's see if we able to reach our goal or not. Our goal is 11. Yes, we did it. Now puzzle number 13. This is the last puzzle. Get as much treasure as you can. So here you can take multiple ways. You can go like this, west, then down, east, west, east, or you can do like this, straight go west, then south, then east, then go up, in, then here. So you can select your own way. What I'm going to do is I'll first move Laurel 1 step here, then I'll go down, then I'll move him again and go up, then west, go down. So here I am gonna find a pattern. For this 2 blocks, the code will be same. Then for this 2, I will repeat the same code, and for this 2 also. So I am gonna use a same set of blocks for 3 times. 1, 2, and 3 times. So first of all, I'll get that and set it to 3. Then I'll move it to first west. Then I'll get another repeat block to move in this first line. So first, after reaching here, it will get the pile I'll set this to 5 times and then move to south. So after completing this code execution, Laurel will reach here. Then again it will move to west and come here and then go up, that is north, for 5 times and get the treasure. So after reaching here 5 times north, it will reach here, then again move to here with this code, then south, so this, and likewise it will complete to get the all the treasure. Let's run it. So here also I have used nested loop, the same which the concept which I introduced in previous puzzle. I think that's puzzle 11, 10 or 11. Okay, think we are done with this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the previous lesson. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching. This is the last puzzle. Get as much treasure as you can. So here you can take multiple ways. You can go like this, west, then down, east, west, east, or you can do like this, straight go west, then south, then east, then go up, in, then here, here. So you can select your own way. What I'm going to do is I'll first move Laurel one step here, then I'll go down, then I'll move him again and go up, then west, go down. So here I am gonna find a pattern. For these two blocks, the code will be same. Then for this two, I will repeat the same code, and for this two also. So I am gonna use a same set of blocks for 3 times. 1, 2 and 3 times. So first of all, I'll get that and set it to 3. Then I'll move it to first west. Then I'll get another repeat block to move in this first line. So first, after reaching here, it will get the pile. I'll set this to 5 times and then move to south. So after completing this code execution, Laurel will reach here. Then again it will move to west and come here and then go up, that is north, for 5 times and get the treasure. So after reaching here 5 times north, it will reach here, then again move to here with this code, then south, so this, and likewise it will complete to get the all the treasure. Let's run it. So here also I have used nested loop, the same which the concept which I introduced in previous puzzle. I think that's puzzle 11, 10 or 11. Okay, think we are done with this lesson. If you have enjoyed the previous lesson, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.